Epiretinal membrane removal. After a core vitrectomy, the posterior hyaloid is peeled off using high suction with the cutter. You can see the edge of the thickened hyaloid and the shadow created by it while we are pulling the hyaloid. After this, the detached hyaloid is removed using the cutter. We grasp the edge of the membrane using a fine forceps and start a tangential movement holding the edges. The fine stria created by the membrane are visible quite clearly. The membrane peels off quite easily without much traction on the underlying retina. And the final edge of the membrane comes through, and we can remove the whole membrane in toto. This is another case of epiretinal membrane with a pseudo-hole-like formation using triamcinolone. We inject triamcinolone into the vitreous cavity, and after removing the residual triamcinolone, what we see is the staining of the hyaloid and also staining of the strias created by the epiretinal membrane in a C-fan-like manner. After this, we peel the hyaloid. As you would see now, the whole wave of the hyaloid created and the residual which is removed. After this, we use a fine MVR blade to delaminate the edges of the membrane, and you can see that the triamcinolone helps our visibility of the membrane as it is retracted by the MVR blade. We gently scrape it and once we have a firm edge, we grasp it with a forceps and again peel it off in a tangential fashion. With the triamcinolone, the visibility of the membrane is much better. You can see these fine petechial hemorrhages created over the retina as we remove the membrane.